Assalamu alaikum, students. Hope you are fine. Today also we will teach the same topic, that is fiction, Raven, same unit 1, elephant. Students, you have learned first lecture. If you have learned, then recall something. It was about an old Burmese man that tells this first person story which takes place in the teak forest of Burma. बर्मा के सागों के जंगलात के पस मंज़र में ये स्टोरी लिखी गई थी. Elephants were used to drag immense trees trunk into the river for transportation. The logs तने जो थे अक्सर वो जैम कर देते थे and then elephant would use its scales and weight to unblock the jam. और ये elephant जो थे वो unblock करते थे. Burmese workers were under the control of an English overseas. Who was English overseas? Mackay. Mackay was an English overseas. And it was an unpleasant young man whom men called Mackay Thakan. Burmese overseers were under control of Mackay. Now come on page number 4. Here is paragraph 5. Listen me carefully. I was almost asleep again when through the chatter of the rain. Chatter mean chehchahana. I heard a tinny. Tinny mean chota. Fraggle, nazo. Fraggle sound, a distant tinkling. Tinkling mean tantanahat. It was far away but approaching steadily, and as it drew nearer, I recognized. Recognized mean pehchanna, the unmistakable ringing of an elephant's bell. Do you hear that? I whispered to the Sinox. What is it? It is the cow, Shuedoke. What is Shuedoke? Shuedoke is the name of an elephant whose owner was Burmese overseer's nephew. An ossis. An ossis knows an elephant by its bell. It is by following that sound that the locates this mount every morning after its night-long for foraging. Foraging means chara in the forest. Perhaps means shayad. I ventured. Ventured means khatarnak. Shuedoke was panicked. Panicked means खौफनाक, घबराहट by the storm. Perhaps she managed to break loose of her fetters. Fetters mean बांधना, बेड़ी. If she had broken loose, the sin ox said the chain would still be dragging on her feet. Dragging means घसीटना. He paused to listen, but I hear no chains. No, she has been freed. Freed means azad by a human hand. But whose could that hand be? I asked. He silenced me abruptly. Abruptly means achanak. Abruptly means achanak. With a raised hand. The bell was very close now and the hut was shivering. Shivering means कांपना. To the elephant treat. Treatment रोंदना. हाथी के जो पाँव होते हैं यहाँ वो उसका है मीन है कि रोंदना. I started to move towards the lattice, but the sin ox pulled me back. No, he said, stay here. Now come on next paragraph. The next moment the sky was split by lightning. अगले लम्हे जो था आसमान में रोशनी नमूदार हुई. In the momentary मीन है लम्हा. Glare नज़र जमाक. nazar jamana of that flat sheet of light. I saw Shwetoke directly ahead, आगे, moving towards the thigh, with her head lowered and her trunk curled under her lip. I jumped to my feet and began to shout in warning. Thakin, make it Thakin. Mackie Thakin had already heard the bells, felt the Terrimore Thatrana of the elephant approaching wheel. A flame flickered. Flame shola flickered mean Timtivana in one of the Thai's windows, and the young man appeared on the veranda. Veranda mean baramda with a lantern. Lantern mean diya in one hand and his hunting rifle in the other hand. Now come on page 5. Here is paragraph 7. 10 feet from the tie, Shwetoke came to a standstill. She lowered her head as thought she were examining the structure. She was an old elephant trained in the ways of the working herd. Such animals are skilled in the arts of demolition. Demolition means masmar kar dena, tabah kar dena. It takes them no more than a glance. Glance means ek nazar. To size up a dam of snagged. Snagged means rukawat. Snagged wood and pick the point of attack. McIntyre fired just as Shwetoke began her charge. She was so close now that he could not miss. He hit her exactly where he had aimed, in her most vulnerable. Vulnerable mean गैर महफूज spot between ear and eye. But the momentum mean हरकत, movement, रफ्तार of Shwetoke's charge carried her forward even as she was dying on her feet. She too hit the tie exactly where she had aimed, at the junction. Junction means jod of the two cross beams that held it together. The structure appeared to explode. Explode means dhamaka with logs and beams and thatched. Thatched means घास फूस flying into the air. McIntyre was catapulted to the ground. Catapult means hurt होना, जख्मी होना, to the ground over Shwetoke's head. Shwetoke turned now until she was facing the assistant's prone body. Then, very slowly, she allowed her dying weight to go crashing down on him. Head first, her weight rolling over in a circular motions. I threw myself down the herd's ladder with the sing ox close behind me. Running towards the tie, I stumbled. Stumbled mean ठोकर खाना in the darkness and fell face first on the mud. The sin ox was helping me up when a bolt of lightning split the sky. Suddenly mean achanak. He let go of my hand and unloosed a horse. Horse mean girfta आवाज. Stammering shows mean हिकलाना. Now come on, last paragraph. What is it? I said. What did you see? Look down at the ground. Lightning flashed again, and I saw directly ahead of me the huge scalloped mark of Shwedoke's feet. Scalloped mean आराइशी, जो ऑर्नामेंट में यूज़ किया जाता है आराइश के लिए. But beside it was a smaller impression Curiously, shapeless, almost oblong. Oblong mean rectangular objects. What is it? I said. What made that mark? It is a footprint, he said. Human. Students, hope you have understand this all of this story. Now come on the word derivation. Derivation means the formation of a word from another word or base as by the addition of usually non-inflectional affix. For example, here are words tattered. Tattered mean bandhna, bedi, keeping her bound. Fettered, fetters mean also bandhna, bedi, zanjeer, shackled, towing chains. All of these words used to bound the animals. ये तमाम जो वर्ड्स हैं सेम मीनिंग है इनकी बेड़ी जंजीर बांधना जानवरों को ये वर्ड यूज़ किए जाते हैं डेरिवेशंस मीन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वर्ड फ्रॉम एन अदर वर्ड और बेस वर्ड नाउ स्टूडेंट्स you have noted down your homework. Page number 6, there is a one column. You have to match it and you have also make 10 fill in the blanks. How can you make fill in the blanks? For example, first page, that is 2. Elephants were used to drag the immense tree trunks into the rivers of transportation. You can make like elephants were used to dash the immense tree trunk into the rivers for transportation. Blank word is drag. Next you can make, for example, Mackay was an English overseer. Mackay was an English dash overseas. In this way you can make fill in the blanks. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.